I'm trying to wiggle it for you. Loving it. Oh, big red. Oh, stop.
I love your ass, Big Red.
There you go, I'll stop.
Well, it's been a chilly morning leaving Pikes Flat. 0 degrees, plenty of frost on everything, freezing cold hands packing stuff away. But got out of there, still 1 and 2 degrees, lovely and warm in the car for some more great tracks. Impressive rock slide or huge rocks that we'll get some photos up to show people as well. And we've just stopped for lunch at the top of the Zeka Spur Trak. We're going to be heading down there shortly and see what we find.
Front lawn. And I said to the bloke, mate, I've heard about this chicken grass. Can you get me some chicken grass? He said, chicken grass? I've never heard of it. I said, mate, I heard it's impeccable. That joke was freak.
Not bad, mate, but I think you can do better than that.
What time do you go for the toothpick dentist? 2:30. Potty.
Step on the left.
What do you call Irish deck furniture? Patio furniture.
Alright, we're setting up camp here at Wonnangatta. Zeka Spur was good, some nice downhill sections, some tight hairpins, but nothing that brought anyone unstuck. Yeah, just getting the campsite set up before the sun goes down, and we've got a Western themed night, so there'll be a little bit of dress up going on tonight. Looking forward to having a little bit of fun. See you tomorrow.